So I've had many questions. Did I have any of the storm system left? Once we had shut it down, we had ordered pretty much everything he had, but this Loro Piana, this is the storm system. I've got a little bit of black. I've got more black than anything. This has stretch in one direction. It is wool on the side that you're supposed to be using, that black wool. That's 100% Merino, I think that's the Merino wool. It's beautiful. It has a membrane behind it. It's called the storm system membrane that makes it completely waterproof, but you can sew on it, and it's made to where even the holes, you will not have water come through. It's incredible fabric. I mean, Loro Piana is among the best fabric in the world. They have created this. Xenu used it. That will be up. What I did with each of the colors is I paired some things that I thought would be really beautiful with it. This is from Italy also. It's 100% viscose. Beautiful chain link, which is so popular right now. It's just great. Great drape, great everything. It's a woven fabric. Then we have the red. This is the Loro Piana, same as the black. It's a red. This is the side that's on the outside. And then this is the side of the membrane. So you go by this outside is what you put on the outside, and it's kind of it's a blue-red. This fabric I put with it. I thought it was great. It has the red and the green. It has both. These are pre-cut. This is from a designer in 2.5 yard pieces. So just know this is a knit. It's a cotton knit, actually, 100% cotton. It will stretch in both directions, but just know that the price will be for 2.5 yards because there's only 2.5. But if you'll notice, the teal is great with that green. It really blends. It goes with the red. It's a beautiful, beautiful knit. And then we have the green. Now, we sold out of the green, but because we didn't have quite enough, or I cut it too generously, I'm not sure which, we had 1 yard of the green left. So all we have is the 1 yard. It's a beautiful green. And actually, more people ordered green than anything else. I'd go with black because I think it's such a classic, but you know me. But anyway, that green is beautiful. It's the same. That's the Loro Piana green. Again, there's only that 1 yard. And then what I put with it is this beautiful teal. This is a cotton poly. Even if you just made a scarf, for those of you who got the green, I think this is just a lovely, lovely piece of fabric. It is a woven. I think both sides are usable. There's a little bit of difference in the color, but when you see it, the wrong side and the right side together, they still just look beautiful. So your call. It's a beautiful piece of fabric, and so these are Loro Piana and coordinates. And happy Saturday, and happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.